I decided to get the old yoke sorted.
The old what?
This.
The old yoke sorted.
Day boy!
Hey, Stabs!
No way!
That's
Kill it worked! Oh man, nice one. Daddy, great to see that.
That was heat, man! No way! Oh man!
I told you I'd surprise you.
Nice one, hey. It was great to see you.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I came over to Stamps since Monday, yeah. It's in Sydney on Monday. When you rang me the other day, I was in fucking Thailand. I was trying to get you off the phone, my battery's dying now, get off the phone.
I said to Ali, he'd been hung over or something. Did you know all the way?
No, maybe.